Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Ganithalay. My name is Nagur Miravali. In this video, we are going to discuss about the new topic, which is the circles. Okay, I would like to give the class on circles. Okay, this is consisting of two 2 marks questions, one 4 marks questions, two 7 marks questions in the Board of Intermediate Education of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, let's start the topic. Okay, this is the topic name circles. It consisting of two 2 marks, one 4 marks, two 7 marks questions. The total weightage of this topic will be 22 marks. Okay, let's start the topic. Here we are going to discuss about the circle. So first we have to take a point, a fixed point in a plane. Let that point name is small c. Okay, now we are going to take one more point, some a, b, c, so and so, and also consider a fixed distance from this point. Suppose I have taken fixed distance from c, from the point c. Let the distance is capital R. Now we are going to plot the points, okay, such that the points will be equidistant. What we have taken here distance, r unit distance. So by taking these r unit distance from this point, now we are going to plot the points from the point C by taking some fixed distance. So observe that I am going to take a point here. So let it be point name A. Suppose one more point I have taken from the point C with distance r. So in the same process, by taking r unit distance, we have taken another point B. Just like how many points you have taken here? Here we have taken one more point from this point C at the same distance r unit, like that. Okay, let this is the point C. Suppose like that. How many points you can plot here? By taking the same distance r from the point C, here I have taken the point D. So like that you can, if you can plot the points from the point C with the distance r units, you can form like that. You can form a path like that. Okay, so by joining these all points now, okay, what you will get? You will get a curve like that. You will get a curve like that. This curve is called a circle. Okay, that means if you have plotted here points on this curve, these points, suppose I have taken the point name is P. What is this point satisfying here? Condition. The condition of this point satisfying here is the distance from the point C to given point, that means point on this curve. Okay, so that should be r unit. Okay, if you taken a point on this curve here, again suppose I have taken the point Q. Now count the distance from the fixed point C. Here it will also use the r. So this is called the circle. So here the circle is obtained by joining the set of points which are equidistant, that means constant distance from a fixed point, that is the definition of the circle. Here we have taken a fixed point. What is that? C. So that point is called the center of the circle, and we have taken here constant distance from the fixed point. This distance we can't change here. Okay, so this distance is called the radius of the circle. They are the major concept. So note here, first of all you need to draw the circle. first you should take in a fixed point. So what we say that fixed point is called the center. Next we have taken a fixed distance from the fixed point. That distance can be taken radius of the circle. Okay, this is the definition of the circle, and major point of the circles are center and radius. Okay, look at here. This is the definition of the circle. A circle is the joining of some points. Okay, that means the set of points in a plane. So now we have plotted this point. How we plot the points? Which are at a fixed distance r. Here we have taken a distance r from that points from a fixed point C. That is called the circle. This is the circle definition. Before writing the definition, already we discussed how the circle will be formed and how to take the fixed point C and how to take in the fixed distance, that is R. So by taking a fixed point and taking fixed distance from the fixed point, we can plot the points, okay, in a plane from fixed point C to by taking fixed point C at the distance r units. Okay, so we form a path here. We can get a path here. That path is called the circle. So that in that path, that when we say that is the circle, to form the circle we have taken already a fixed point. That fixed point C is called the center of the circle, and a constant distance also taken to form a circle. That constant distance is called the radius of the circle. This is the major concept of the circle. Okay, look at here. Now the circle can be formed by like that. Okay, look at here. This is the circle we have taken here. So that means we have taken the fixed point C here and the fixed distance taken r here, and by taking the fixed distance and fixed point C, we can plot the points here. Okay, we can plot points here. Now these points all are at a constant distance from the point C. How much that distance? The distance is, suppose from here to here is r. Next take one more point here on this here. We have taken here this distance also taken r. So this is called the circle. Okay, here the fixed point C is called the center and fixed distance r is called the radius of the circle. Okay, here you have to take one more note point. This is the very important condition for the circle is, if let if P be any point on the circle, then what is the condition? Suppose this is a point P on the circle. So what this point satisfying a condition? What is that condition satisfying by this point here? So this point lies at a distance r from the point C. That is, then what is the property? If P is a point on the circle, now the distance of center to this point is equal to the radius, okay, which is r. So this is the node point. Okay, if you taken any point on the circle means this path here, this path is called the on the circle. Okay, this path is called the on the circle. This is also called the circumference of the circle or perimeter of the circle. By taking any point on the circumference of this circle, now it will satisfy a condition. The distance of that point to center is always the radius. Okay, that is the radius. Okay, this is the most important thing. Now we are going to discuss about the how to find the equation of the circle in a plane. Okay, let us consider equation of the circle. How to form the equation of the circle of a circle. Suppose So to form the equation of the circle, first I have to take in what we have to take to form the circle. First we need to take the fixed point and fixed distance. What we say that fixed point is called the center and fixed distance is called the radius. So we need to take the fixed point. Let C, this is a fixed point. I have taken this fixed point like h comma k. Let h comma k be the center and r be the radius, and r be the radius of the circle. Okay, now we are going to find the equation of the circle. So note a point here. To find any geometrical figure equation, first we need to take a point on it. Okay, in the same process, let I am going to take p x1 comma y1 be a point. Where we have taken this point? On the geometrical figure. What is the geometrical figure we have to find? We are going to find here circle. That means p x1 y1 be a point on the circle. Okay, so let us draw a circle here. So this is the equation of this is the circle. So here C is the center. So what we have taken the center coordinates here. So here center coordinates can be taken as h comma k. So they are the coordinates of the point C. Next, what is the radius we have taken? R. R is the radius. Now what we have taken one more is p x1 y1 be a point on the circle. Suppose this is a point. Let us take this is a point P x1 comma y1. So just I have told you one of the condition. When we have taken a point on the circle, there will be a property. You need to find the distance from that point to center. So that is always equal to the radius. Okay, so that means here you are going to write here, let p x1 y1 be a point on the circle. Then very next step we have to write center to point distance cp, where cp is called the distance of center to point p. Cp is equal to what is that? Radius. What is the radius we have taken? R. So cp is equal to r, where c is h comma k and p is x1 comma y1. Now here cp is equal to r. Cp means distance between a point C and P. We have the formula, distance between the 2 points formula is the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the formula. Here the point C can be taken as x1 y1. Next this can be taken as x2 y2. Now we can use the formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That means x2 means here x1 minus h whole square plus y1 minus k whole square. That means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to r. Okay, now doing squaring on both sides, we get square root of x1 minus h whole square plus y1 minus k whole square. Now taking square on both sides. So by taking on both sides like that, we can take the bracket and a whole square. Now doing cancellations here, you will get what is that? X1 minus h whole square plus y1 minus k whole square is equal to r square. So we get an equation here. Look at this. This is the equation of the circle. Suppose if you taken a point other than P, suppose I have taken one more point Q, some x2 comma y2, you can get here x2 minus h whole square plus y2 minus k whole square is equal to r square. That means here P is an arbitrary point. That means since P is a point on the locus, then the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of a circle. Okay, the most important equation of this one is the first formula of the circle is this is what is that? The equation of the circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. The basic concept you have to remember this one. This is the very basic concept to find the equation of the circle. First what we want? The basic one. What we want? The fixed point, that means center, and fixed distance. What is that? Radius. So to find the equation of the circle you have to remember two conditions. One is center and another one is radius. So if the center and radius will be given, now you have to use the equation of the circle is this is okay. The first formula is, if to find the equation of the circle, what we want? If C center is the center and R is the radius of the circle, then what we have to find here? Then the equation of the circle is, what is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle. To find the equation of circle we need first of all center and radius. So let's see the problems on this model. Look at here, a problem is there. Read the given sum properly here. So what you have seen here? Here we have seen a point here, C is equal to minus 7 comma minus 3. What about here C given? Yes, this is the center, where C is the center. And next one more thing is given. What is that? R is equal to 4. What will be the R here? Radius. So that means here in this problem the center and radius will be given. Okay, first you need to write the what are given. Given that the center C minus 7 minus 3. So when the center will be given, very next step is you can take the center coordinates are h and k. So they are the properties. That means where h is equal to minus 7, k is equal to minus 3. That is we have taken. Next what will be there here? Given that radius, given that the radius r is equal to how much? 4. So they are given here. So what we have to find here? The equation of the circle. What we have to find? Equation of the circle. Remember here the students, the very important one is to find the equation of the circle. Here we need to have the center and radius. When center and radius will be given, you have to use this formula. Okay, this is the formula. So now we have to find, therefore the equation of the circle is, when center and radius will be given, we have to use x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now you can substitute in this equation the corresponding values. X minus of 7, h means minus of 7 whole square plus y minus k means minus 3 whole square is equal to r square, that is 4 square. Now you can simplifying here, x minus of minus plus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square means 16. Now you can expand the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square here. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 16. Now simplifying squares here, plus 14 plus 14x, sorry, here 7 square means 49, 14, sorry, so here 49 plus 14x plus y square plus 3 square 9 plus 6y, bring out here 16, from right to left, you can get minus 16. Now you have to arrange the formula final answer. So remember here, every second degree equation in two variables can be arranged by the first x square term, next x into y term, next y square term, next x term, next y term, next constant term. That order should be you have to follow. Okay, so first which term we have to return? First x square. So here x square is there, there is no other x square. Next you will go for y square, that is plus y square. That means the the procedure should be go for the first x square, next x into y term. So there is no x into y term in this equation, that's why we go for next term. What is that? Y square. After that, what will be the next term? X term. So where are the x terms here? Only 14x. Next y term, what is that? Only 6y is there. Next constant term, here remember that the constant term 49 plus 9, that is equal to 58. Next what will be there here? Minus 16. Now subtracting this one, how much you will get? 2. Next 4. So what is that? Plus 42 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Okay, okay, this is the very important problem for 2 marks question. Have a look on this problem here once again. Okay, now we will go for one more problem. Okay, look at here, one more problem here. What you have seen here, read the given problem carefully. Okay, in this problem, look at here, one point is there, c is equal to minus a comma b. What about this point? This is the center. Next one more value will be given, r is equal to root of a square minus b square will be there. What about the r value here? Yes, this is the radius. So what will be given here in the problem? So where given center c is equal to minus a comma minus b. Now the center terms are taken as minus a minus b are taken as h comma k. So now comparing, h is equal to minus a, k is equal to minus b. So they are we have taken. Next what will be there? Given radius, how much? R is equal to root of a square minus b square. Now what you should find out here? To find the equation of the circle. Okay, to find the equation of the circle we need the formula. So here what will be there here? Center and radius will be given. Now the equation of the circle, is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now you can substitute carefully here. H is equal to how much? Minus a. Already here minus is there, minus into minus plus a whole square plus y minus k means minus b. Here also minus is there, minus into minus plus b square is equal to r means square root of a square minus b square. This is the r value and it having square. Now continuing here, now x plus a whole square, this is in terms of a plus b whole square. Now you can expand this one, a square plus b square plus 2 into a means x, b means a. Next in the same process, y plus b whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2 into y into b is equal to, now squaring and root cancel here, you will get a square minus b square. Now observe here, a square and a square cancel. Now we will get here x square plus 2ax plus y square plus b square plus 2by. Bring out minus b square here, minus b square is equal to 0. Now you have to arrange the order. First what you have to write, remember this one once again. First you will go for x square term, so only x square term. Next you will go for x into y, there is no x into y, so here you will go for y square term plus next one x term 2ax plus next one 2by. Next, yes, sorry, here plus b square. Now what you will get? Constant terms. Next one, what are the constant terms of b square plus b square? You will get 2b square is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Okay, have a look on this problem. Okay, okay, here center will be given and radius will be given. So first you have to write the center here. Given that center c is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 9. So directly we have taken center coordinates 1 by 2 minus 9. They can be as h and k. So now by taking h is equal to minus 1 by 2, k is equal to minus 9. Now given radius r is equal to 5. So what you have to find here? Equation of the circle. The equation of the circle is, what is the formula we have write? We have to write x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now substitute h and k values carefully here. Now here x minus h means minus 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 1 by 2 whole square, here plus y minus k whole square. So y minus k means minus of minus plus 9 whole square is equal to r means 5 square. So now you can continue here. Now this is of the form a plus b whole square. Now a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus here also a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that is y plus 9 whole square over is equal to how much? 25. 5 square is 25. Next one, here x square plus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 square 1, 2 square 4, plus here you can take the cancel here. How much you will get? X into 1 x plus y square plus 81 plus 18y. So bring out here 25 right to left, you will get minus 25. After, don't forget here to write the is equal to 0. So this is the important here. Next one, we have to arrange here. First x square term, next y square term, next x term, next y term. Next, what will be the constants here? 1 by 4 is there, plus 1 by 4. Next, plus 81 minus 25. How much you will get? 6, 5. Okay, plus 56. Okay, plus 56 is equal to 0. Now finally you can do the LCM here by taking here 1, here also 1. How much you will get? The LCM is 4 is the LCM here is equal to 0. You can take here 4 into x square plus y square plus x plus 18y, okay, plus 1 plus 56 4s are 4 6 are 24, 4 5s are 20, 224. So now doing cross multiplication, you will 4 x square plus 4y square plus 4x plus 18 4s are 72y plus 1 plus 224, 225 is equal to 0. So now finally you can write here 4 into x square plus y square plus 4x plus 7y, 72y plus 225 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Have a look on this problem once again. Okay, okay, look at here, one more problem is there. So here also given center and given radius. In the same process we have to find out the equation of the circle. So let's start the problem. You have to take what are given here. Given that center C is equal to cos alpha sin alpha. Next, what will be given here? Radius r is equal to 1. Then what you have to find here? Equation of a circle is when the center and radius will be given, we have to find the equation of the circle here. Okay, now we have to write the formula. Equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the formula. So what are the values we have taken in center? So this can be taken as h, this can be taken as k. So remember that the center can be taken as h comma k. Now substitute carefully in this equation. We will get here x minus h means cos alpha whole square plus y minus sin alpha whole square, which is equal to radius r means 1 square. So you can expand the equation, this one of the form a minus b whole square. The formula is a square plus b square cos square alpha minus 2ab. A means x, b means cos alpha. The same way here y square plus sin square alpha minus 2 into a into b means sin alpha is equal to 1 square means 1. So you can expand here. So simplifying square values here, x square plus cos square alpha means cos square alpha. Next minus 2x cos alpha plus y square plus sin square alpha minus 2y sin alpha. 2y sin alpha. Bring out minus 1 value from right to left, you will get here. So now you can arrange the first x square term. So here only one x square is there. Next you will go for x into y. There is no x into y. Remember that already we have seen in before problem also, every equation of circle will not containing x into y term. That is the most important. Already that can I have I can tell that condition before explain the equation of the circle, okay, but I can't told until now because of you have to observe that the equation of the circle containing what are the terms. Okay, so here the terms of the equation of circle are x square, next y square. There is no x into y term, so that is you have to observe that. So that means x square. Next you will go for y square term, only one y square is there. Next you need to write the x term. So here x term is this one minus 2x cos alpha. Next y term is this one minus 2y sin alpha. Next one constant term. What are the constant terms are there here? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Next minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have a formula in trigonometric functions. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula we have. Theta is equal to 1. We can applying this formula in this equation. So here cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is there, that value will be taken as 1. Now put here the values of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. You will get x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha. Now the answer of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is plus 1. Next minus 1. Next what will be there is equal to 0. You can cancelizing them. You will get x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the our required circle. Okay, I have to give some problems on this model. You can do the problems. Okay, okay, have a look on this problem. They are the problems you have to do them. Okay, so here in all the problems there will be center and radius there. You have to find the equation of the circle. So here hint is, what is that? How to find the equation of the circle? What you have to use the formula here? Yes, this is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay, this is the equation of the circle. Okay, okay, we will meet one more video with one more video. In that video we have to discuss about the equation of a circle in general form. Okay students, now observe that in total answers, what are the terms of the equation of the circle? You have to observe once. So if you observing this one, next video will be the easy for you. Okay, thank you.